Why is your phone moving?
It's the water. It seems like the phone.
Alright, hold on, we gotta get more grass on this side. We gotta even it out with the grass. Take the, yeah, hold on, that was perfect. Hold on, go back. Hold it.